So we were doing a really awesome create a platformer in 2D with Scratch. We want to know what our students are into. And as soon as I found an idea that I thought we could latch onto, I tried to help them expand it.
Because I had so many different hazards, each costume has to have a different unique code. So I couldn't just do cloning method. So I had to make lots of different ones. It takes a long time for me to put every single hazard into touching variable. Then I need to add lots of them because each hazard is a different spray. But then I realized I could just surround them with red. And actually red makes it a bit look like it's glowing. And that actually solved my problem very well.
This purple circle is a teleporter, and on it there will be different types of food. Those are ingredients that you need to collect. To start off, the gravity jump, where when I click the space bar twice, it would send me flying up to the ceiling and I'd never come down. That was very frustrating.
Yes, she was very frustrated, but at no point did she give up. I was very proud of the fact that she rose to that occasion and would not let that challenge back her down. We were doing the same code for so many sprites that kind of look the same, so we just have to make sure that we're being a little bit patient and making sure that we slowly go through everything and check that it's all good. If he was trying to code a jump and for some reason his jump was going through the wall instead of actually making him stick to it on the platform, we would look at the code and be like, oh, that's what's wrong. I was very proud of how Neil and Eliana have interacted in terms of collaboration.